Hey guys, Stephen Phillips here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at G-Force Racing Gears racing helmets, and these are packed full of features, so let's just dive right in. First of all, these are Snail SA 2015 certified, and the bottoms of the helmet are contoured to fit most helmet restraining devices on the market today. Now the other thing you'll notice about the helmet are these intake ports along the bottom, the face of the helmet, and along the top as well. And on the back there are 4 exhaust ports. And that's a part of G-Force's, it's their Siphon 12 ventilation network, and that's going to allow cool air to come in and hot air to be removed very easily. So it's going to keep your face dry, and so you can really focus on what's important, and that's winning the race. Now the other thing are these shields. Now they come from the box with these clear shields, but they do offer other options from blue, amber, smoke, and mirror, and also some replacement clears if that's more your speed. And they include these tear-off posts as well, which is especially good for those dirt track applications. Now moving on to the interior, you have this nice padding, which is going to be very supportive and soft, but these are also removable and hypoallergenic, so you shouldn't have any troubles with allergies, but you can remove these to clean these as needed as well. Now the last thing I want to mention are the finishes. So this is the gloss white. They also offer a gloss black and a matte black finish. And then in the carbon finish here, this is a carbon composite, so it looks great, very aggressive, but also has some measurable weight savings as well. And last but not least, they include these carrying cases so you can take the helmet to the track in pristine condition every time. Alright guys, that's a wrap on the racing helmets. As you can see, they look great, but also are going to do the job well of keeping your head safe. If you have any other questions or comments, leave those in the comments below. We're happy to answer any questions you have, but if you want more details about the product, check the description below the video. We'll have everything for you there, from a part number all the way to a dealer locator, so you can find these and other fine G-Force products at a local dealer near you. If you liked the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Parts Pro in the Garage.